Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you the WWE 2K19 Wooooo edition. And so yeah, this is going to be a really cool unboxing. One, because I'm mainly really excited about one thing in this box. So you have a lot of the Ric Flair edition stuff on here, and again, even a portrait of him and Charlotte, which actually this is textured. That's kind of interesting. I thought it was just going to be a photo, but it's textured. But it has a lot of stuff in here. Mainly the thing I'm most excited for is this Hall of Fame ring. They've never really done replicas of the Hall of Fame ring, so it might be cheap plastic, but it's just a cool collectible to have. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it is. If you are fans of wrestling games, let me know, who do you usually play besides your created character? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so we got that plastic out of the way. Take this off. You see the bigger picture of it. So that is it there. And let's see. Looks like the top is going to be where we open it. And right front and center is the game itself. So this is the game that I cannot wait to play. I can't play it now because it is the deluxe version. So it came out 4 days earlier with the deluxe version. I'm going to check out this $1 Million Rule game. Wouldn't that be so cool if me and AJ Style could fight each other on probably up, up, down, down, and I win $1 million bucks. I think that's what every one of my viewers wants to see, quite frankly. So we will test it out and see. AJ, I could totally beat you. So let's go ahead and see it. And I think this is the part that I want the most right here. So let's go ahead and see. And yes, this is the ring, it looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Wow, that is big. That is a big ring. See, this is 2K19 right here. Holy shit, this is heavy. I mean, look at it compared to my wedding ring. Look at it compared to my wedding ring. That is a huge ring. How do you even fit this? This is big for my fingers. Like, and I have, you know, thick fingers. Man, I think I'm gonna wear this for the rest of this part. This huge WWE Hall of Fame ring. Yeah, I deserve more than Roman Reigns. JK, kind of. All right, let's go ahead and see the rest. So I'm not gonna show this part because this is like my super card thing. So you can get Charlotte, Flair, and the Nature Boy. So go ahead and check that one out. And this is the classic Ric Flair. So this is when he had the World Championship Wrestling. I think this was still WCW at the time. I don't think it was, I think this was after the NWA. But yeah, really old school Ric Flair. And yeah, oh man, I want that Mr. McMahon. So I'm gonna open up. I open up Pops. I know people are always like, what, how do you open it up? You know, you should collect them and keep them in their box. I open them up, okay? That's what I do. So, styling, profiling, limousine riding, jet flying, limousine riding. Yeah, I can't get the whole thing down. Let me know if you know the whole thing in the comment section down below without looking it up. I think it's jet flying, limousine riding. Yeah, I don't know. Can't remember off the top of my head. All right, let's see what else is in here. This part right here. And I think this is the commemorative, I can't say it right now. Commemorative. I cannot say it right now. I don't know. But his robe. Oh, this is cool. If I'm not mistaken, I think, is this the blue or the purple? So this is a purple one. So it's not the one. I was thinking the blue one was the one he wore for his last match in WWE. That was against Shawn Michaels. This looks purple though, so I don't know if that is it, but I don't believe so. I wish we knew what match it was from. I wish they told us that. That would be really cool. But yeah, guys, so this is the collectible version of it. Man, I don't know if you can like tighten that or what, but this is just such a big ring. I guess these guys are big, right? So you expect it to be that kind of stuff, but this is the collectible stuff for here on the WWE 2K19. Let's see if I can play this game, play it really well, and meet AJ Styles in the ring. All right, guys, thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.